If you run a hostel, PG or mansion in India, let me ask you something honestly. How do you keep track of who paid this month? A notebook, a spreadsheet, messages on WhatsApp? And at the end of the month, do you actually know your profit? Or do you just know how much rent came in? Most property owners I've spoken to are managing 20, 30, even 50 beds with the same tools they used 20 years ago. There's a better way. Let me show you Stay Elite. If this is your dashboard, the first thing you see every morning when you log in, rent collected this month at a glance, rent still pending, and exactly how many tenants haven't paid yet, your occupancy across all properties, and how many beds are still available to fill. Below that, 2 more panels. On the left, the exact tenants whose rent is still pending this month. On the right, every property you own, and how full each one is. Everything you need to know about your business on one screen. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. This is Stay Elite is simple. You start here, properties. First, you add your property, hostel, PG, mansion, whatever you call it. Give it a name. Then add the rooms inside that property. For each room, you set the monthly rent. If it's a shared room, add the beds within each room. Stay Elite handles both private rooms and shared beds, whichever model you use. Once your setup is done, and for a typical 20-bed property, this takes about 10 minutes, every other part of the app flows automatically from this foundation. Setting up tenants, the most important part of your day-to-day. When a new tenant moves in, you click Add Tenant. Fill in their details, name, phone, emergency contact, permanent address, check-in date, and you assign them to a specific bed in a specific room in a specific property. Then you upload their ID proof, Aadhaar, driving license, PAN card, whatever they give you. It uploads securely to encrypted storage. Only you can see it. Save, done. The tenant is now in your system. And if you ever need their complete record for police verification, for your own files or for the tenant themselves, click View. You get their full record. Click Print Report. And you get a clean professional PDF with all their details and their ID image embedded. One click, done. Now, the part most owners spend the most time on, rent collection. Same KPI pattern at the top. How much you've collected this month? How much is still pending? How many tenants have paid? How many haven't? Below that, every tenant in your property, sorted by who's paid and who hasn't. Green paid badge for those who've paid. Red pending badge for those who haven't. For a tenant who hasn't paid yet, you click Remind. Stay Elite generates a polite WhatsApp message to that tenant with a UPI payment link already inside. The tenant taps the link. Their UPI app opens, Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, doesn't matter. The amount is pre-filled. They enter their PIN. The money lands in your bank account in seconds. No middleman, no payment gateway, no 2% fee eating your rent. Once they've paid, you click Mark Paid. The row updates instantly. Status turns green. And now, the touch that sets us apart in the market. Click Send Receipt. You get a world-class professionally designed rent receipt with your property name, the tenant's details, the amount in numbers and words, a unique receipt number, and even a UPI QR code on it. Your tenant can scan that QR next month to pay you instantly. No asking for your UPI ID again. Stay Elite then opens WhatsApp with a pre-filled message. You attach the PDF, you send. Your tenant has a proper receipt for their records in under 30 seconds. Now, here's the part most property owners have never seen for their own business. Most software shows you rent collected. That's not your profit. Your profit is rent collected minus your expenses. Here it is, your real monthly profit. After electricity, water, staff wages, maintenance, everything. And below that, your last 6 months of profit, side by side. So you can see exactly how your business is trending. Are you growing? Are you losing money? Where is your money actually going each month? Most owners I've met have never seen this number for their own property. They guess at it. Stay Elite calculates it automatically. Every day, every month, every year. This is the number that should drive every decision you make about your business. And Stay Elite doesn't stop there. Every other part of your business is covered too. Expenses, every rupee you spend, categorized and tracked. Inventory, beds, mattresses, water bottles, gas cylinders, whatever you stock. With low stock alerts so you never run out. Staff, cooks, cleaners, security, their wages, their attendance, their contact details. Service desk. When a tenant complains about a leaking tap or a broken fan, you log it here. You assign it to staff, you close it when fixed, everything documented, and 5 built-in reports. Tenant ledgers, monthly summaries, expense breakdowns, occupancy history, and more. Generate as PDF, print, or share over WhatsApp.